All right, guys, I've got a big announcement for you. It's a little hard, but we are changing the name of our company. I'm excited about it because our new company name is The Investor's Edge. And if you've been with the Do Hard Money family for the past 23 years, I want to thank you and invite you to continue your journey with us with The Investor's Edge. Now, although we are changing the name, we aren't changing our amazing services. Do Hard Money started out with the sole purpose of lending hard money in real estate for investments. And right now we've grown way beyond that. And I felt like it was the right time for a change to help convey our growth. Not just to provide you with funding, but to provide you with tools, resources, software, information, knowledge, support, the ability to invest wisely, to build continuous success, to leverage our platform that we have and get the edge in the real estate investing market. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you in obtaining that personal and financial freedom and the lifestyle that you have always dreamed of. We look forward to seeing you part of the Investor Edge family and your continued success.